Erica, can you see the beauty of this bird? I mean, his feathers actually glisten. Anyway, he does this little cute little thing. I don't know if I got him on my thumb, and he'll like drape it. He like drapes his head over, except now he's a little taken off balance because we're outside. Yeah. Well, anyway, he'll sit on your thumb and then drape his head over your finger. It's so cute. And if you have a big pocket, yeah, he likes riding around in that. Step up, step up. Oh, good boy. Are you proud of yourself? Oh, yeah. Oh, and you are just the most beautiful bird in the world. Yeah, you're cute. You're cute. Oh, baby. We love the little boy. Yes, we do. He's shaking his tail. Shake your booty. Oh, you can train a bird to do that. When you see him shake the tail, go shake your booty. And they'll associate it with it. And then they'll shake their tail for you.